Welcome to our channel. If you want to check flight status on the Delta app, follow this full tutorial to stay updated on your travel plans. Step 1. Download the Delta Airlines app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't already have it installed. Step 2. Open the Delta app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 3. You don't need to sign in to check flight status. Tap on the flight status option on the home screen. Step 4. Enter your flight number or select your departure and arrival cities, along with the date of travel. Step 5. Tap Search to find your flight information. Step 6. The app will display detailed information about your flight, including departure time, arrival time, gate number, terminal, and current status, such as on time, delayed, or canceled. Step 7. For real-time updates, you can enable push notifications for your specific flight by signing in to your Delta account and adding your trip. Step 8. Check back regularly for updates or rely on automatic notifications to stay informed about any changes to your flight schedule, including gate changes, delays, or boarding times. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.